This is DaDaBlock, an intelligent building block maker kit custom-built for young creators. The controller is packed with a high-performance ESP32 module and a high-capacity lithium battery. Fully loaded with expansion ports and a versatile sensor array, it builds a rich, multi-dimensional sensory system. We use high-precision injection molding so that every module housing's dimensions, hole spacing, and diameters strictly follow LEGO standards. Tech beams, gears, and linkage arms combine flawlessly. Build your own motorized windmill, sound-activated Ferris wheel, rotating swing ride, vintage water wheel, or little weightlifting hero, where the spark of tech innovation begins. Combined with electronic modules to bring these blocks to life. Add an ultrasonic sensor and watch the smart gesture-controlled light automatically illuminate. A security radar lock onto its target, or a multi-legged robot navigate its way around. Fire up your brain power and become a master maker. Smart distance meter, dual control crossbow, smart catapult, automatic clothes rack. You can build them all in a snap. Integrate the IMU sensor to engineer a self-balancing scale. The thrill of these advanced creations is something you have to experience firsthand. If you can dream it, you can build it. Construct your very own theme park, complete with a moving basketball arcade game to see who's the ultimate sharpshooter. Add a whirlwind swing, a giant pendulum, and you can even craft a cool mechanical blaster. Cock it, load it, fire away, and have a blast. Let your imagination run wild on a journey through time. From ancient chariots and sailing ships to modern trains and helicopters, explore the evolution of technology all in one stop. But we're just getting started. Think it, build it, code it. Program an autonomous rover, or assemble a smart robotic arm. Every creation is an epic journey of exploration, where your ideas shape a brighter future. Supporting both Scratch block-based and Python programming. Backed by step-by-step tutorials, even beginners can dive right in and bring their creativity to life with ease. That's the power of DaDaBlock. Build, break limits, shape your world.